If you're having trouble getting an Epic Games verification code, don't worry, you're not alone, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including email delays, messages landing in spam, using the wrong email address, or even having two-factor authentication set up through an app or SMS instead of email. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve this in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your spam, junk, and promotions folders in your email inbox. A lot of the time, Epic Games sends the verification code correctly, but your email provider moves it away from your main inbox. So open your email app or website, search for Epic Games, and look through every folder just to make sure the code didn't get filtered out. If you still don't see anything, the next thing to do is wait about 10 minutes. Sometimes verification emails are delayed, especially during busy login times or when Epic's servers are having a lot of traffic. It may seem like nothing is happening, but in many cases, the email arrives after a short delay. While you're waiting, double check that you're looking at the correct email account. This is a very common mistake, especially if you have more than one inbox, or if your Epic account was originally registered with a different email address than the one you're currently checking. Make sure the email tied to your Epic Games account is the one you're monitoring for the code. If none of that works, the next thing to check is your two-factor authentication method. Some accounts are not set to receive verification codes by email at all. Instead, they may be using an Authenticator app or SMS text message for the login verification process. If that's the case, the code will not be sent to your email inbox, so you'll need to complete verification using the method connected to your account. If you're still stuck, try logging in using an Incognito or private browser window. This can help if your normal browser has cached data, old sessions, or extensions that are interfering with the Epic Games login process. Open a fresh Incognito window, go to the Epic Games sign-in page, and try logging in again from there. This often clears out browser-related issues and gives you a cleaner login attempt. If you're watching this because you're unable to get into your Epic account, these steps are the best place to start before trying anything more complicated. Check spam, wait a few minutes, confirm the right email, verify your 2FA method, and try incognito mode. One of those fixes usually solves the problem. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're back into your Epic Games account again in no time.